Solana is in the spotlight as a potential $300 hit by 2024. Its rapid adoption in decentralized finance and gaming positions it as a formidable blockchain network. It's often called the Ethereum alternative due to its low transaction costs and impressive scalability, capturing the attention of many investors. By 2023, Solana made significant strides, particularly in its decentralized finance ecosystems, marking a noteworthy increase in total value locked. From NFTs to gaming, Solana's marketplace has seen record sales, as it processed over 65,000 transactions per second, outperforming its closest rivals. As new projects emerge, Solana's ecosystem is expanding. Developer activity remains strong, heightening interest in decentralized finance and gaming platforms. Institutional investors are eyeing Solana, which could provide the liquidity and market assurance needed to potentially elevate its price point. Strategic collaborations with tech and finance industries bolster Solana's position. Announcements of partnerships further enhance investor confidence. The broader cryptocurrency market trends also affect Solana. If major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum see growth, it could fuel Solana's trajectory. Regulatory environments pose a threat as governments tighten cryptocurrency laws, which could challenge Solana's developmental growth. Competitors such as Ethereum upgrades and other Layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche exert market pressure and heighten competition risks. Network outages have been a concern for Solana, impacting investor confidence. For future reliance, stability is a prerequisite for any blockchain. Achieving $300 hinges on a robust cryptocurrency bull market, continuous ecosystem advancement, and sustained institutional engagement. Whether Solana reaches the $300 target by 2024 is uncertain, yet its progressing indicators make it a fascinating asset for potential investment. Stay updated with Solana developments as it continues breaking barriers and reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape towards revolutionary goals.